In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a photo collage on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then swipe to the right to bring up camera, and then just select layout. That will turn your camera to layout mode. Also you can hit at change grid and then select a different grid, just like that. And then you will be able to take a picture or upload some picture from your camera roll to each particular rectangle. Let me show you how it works. So I'm just gonna point my camera on something and take a picture. Then I can take a picture of another thing, and also I can hit right here and upload picture from my photo gallery. I can just select it in that way, and after that, if you don't like some pictures, you can select any of them, let it be that one, and then it allows you to delete that picture from your collage. You can just tap at that trash icon, and then you will be able to take new picture or to upload some picture from your photos gallery. Let it be that one. And once you have finished with that, just tap at that check mark, and then you can continue editing that photo collage as a regular story. You can add there some text, some stickers, some effects, all that stuff. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.